Hello po, ito ang ating Nikki Live Super Owner Policy para sa month ng June 2026. So, meron tayong iba't ibang tier pero may bago pong may bago tayong tier for the month of June. So, meron tayong Legend, Diamond, Elite, Advanced, at ang pinakabago po is yung Rising Star. So, pag-usapan natin ang mga requirements at mga rewards for each rankings. So, para sa mga bago, kung hindi niyo pa po alam ang Super Owner, pag kayo po ay Super Owner, meron po kayong mga exclusive rewards na para sa inyo lang. And may mga events for party live na hindi niyo na kailangan mag-register dahil automatically mare-register po kayo. And in case meron kayong tag na star host, hindi lang po kayo basta-basta star host dahil ang mga super owner ay na may star host ay may exclusive income reward na additional every week. So parang hindi nyo na kailangan makipag-compete, kailangan mo lang i-maintain to para doon sa exclusive rewards na yon. If medyo na-intimidate kayo sa mga numbers na babanggitin natin sa mga susunod na explanations. So let's start. Ano nga bang super owner guys? Ito yung mga um, mga host na nag-open ng party live. So by the way, party live lamang po ito. Sila yung mga nag-open ng party live, nagko-content daily, ayan, and nagpapa-room income. So meron po tayong tinatawag na room revenue. So pag sinabi nating room revenue, ang ibig pong sabihin nun ay ang mga income na dinrap sa PL mismo ni super owner. So kung ikaw ay super owner at meron kang 5 members at ang members mo ay nakiupo sa ibang panel, o sa ibang live, or sa ibang party room at naka-receive sila ng gift doon, hindi po counted yun sa data. Ang data lamang na makakount ay sa party room mismo ni super owner. Ngayon, what if meron pang mga bisitang dumaan, may mga nag-drop doon na hindi mo expect, lahat ng drop, mapa-member man, mapa sa member man na i-drop, sa room owner, or sa guest lang din siya na i-drop, lahat po yun na-counted. So, lahat ng gifts na na-drop sa party room mo, lahat po yun counted. Yun yung tinatawag natin na room revenue. Okay, now let's proceed po sa ating ranking. So, ang ating first tier, Legend, meron tayong room revenue requirement na $3,000 or 30 million beans. Room revenue. Top 3 po ang nakakakuha nito. Okay? So, if na-reach po natin ang top 3 at meron tayong minimum of 30 million beans, ang makukuha po nating privileges ay first, of course, maging superstar host ka. So, pag superstar host ka, alam po natin yan na $8 a day po ito for 7 days. And pwede ka mag-appoint up to 10 star hosts. Ibig sabihin po ng appoint, yan po ay yung magre-recommend kayo ng star host. Ayan. Next is Banner Promotion Authority. So, kung mapapansin nyo, meron po tayong mga banners dyan na makikita nyo na nagsislide-slide. Yan. So, yan po yun. Next is Vehicle and Avatar Frame. Of course, distinct po ang avatar frame pag super owner. Then, of course, free registration access to all party room events. So, to all party room events except po yung ating June recommended star campaign. So, yung event na yun is hindi included ang super owner. Pero other than that, yung ibang mga events, pag party room events, automatic po kasali ang mga super owners. Receive one-day team startup screen display if you rank number 1 in the monthly revenue 3 times consecutively. Next, let's proceed with the diamond ranking. So, for diamond ranking, guys, 7 slots naman po ito. So, ibig sabihin, top 4 to 10. Ayan. And may room revenue po sila na at least 10 million beans. Okay. So, 10 million beans minimum. Nakapasok ka sa top 4 to 10. Ikaw ay nasa diamond tier or diamond ranking. So, ang rewards naman dito, superstar host, which is $8 a day for 7 days. Makakapag-appoint ng up to 8 star host, banner promotion, avatar and vehicle, and registration, automatic registration to all party live events. Next, kung medyo na-intimidate kayo mag-alala, meron pa tayong 3 rankings pa. Okay, so sa Elite, guys, ang room revenue dito is $600, which is 6 million beans. And 15 po ang slots for this. 15 slots. So, ibig sabihin, eto guys, hindi mo kailangan makipag-unahan. Maraming slots. So, kung ma-reach mo to, goods na. Goods na goods ka na safe ka na dito. Bakit? Dahil po kahit ang iyong reward ay star host lamang, meron po kayong $2 a day for 7 days. So again, $2 a day for 7. Hindi po kayo regular na star host lamang dahil meron po kayong exclusive income reward na $2 a day for 7 days. Then, makakapag-appoint ka ng up to 5-star host and a vehicle and avatar frame, and of course, automatic registration to all party live events. Now, kung medyo mataas pa para sa inyo ang 6 million, meron po tayong 3 million room revenue requirement. And ang good news dyan, 25 slots po ito. So again guys, kayang-kaya nyo ito. No? Kayang-kaya nyo dito. So, for the advanced tier, okay, hindi po kayo regular lamang na star host dahil meron kayong makukuhang $1 a day for 7 days. Ayan. As an exclusive income reward. And you're eligible to appoint up to 4-star host, vehicle and avatar frame, and of course, automatic registration for all party live events. Then, ito po yung pinakabago natin at pinakamaganda, 30 slots po ang kasali dito. So, ang room revenue lang nito guys is 1 million beans lamang. 1 million beans lamang, kayang-kaya, no? Kayang-kaya. So, sa Rising Star, meron kang star host privileges. Ayan, magiging star host ka. And makakapag-recommend ka ng members mo na up to 3 na maging star host, vehicle and avatar frame, and of course, all access to party live events. Ayan. So, paano po ba mag-apply? Unang-una nating gagawin guys, check lamang po ang ating weekly income revenue. Kailangan po at least $100. So, ito pa sa Super Owner Rising Star ha. For Super Owner Rising Star, ang inyong room revenue must be $100. Then, at least 10 hours from Monday to Sunday, 10 hours live streaming hours ninyo. So, hindi naman kailangan na sa isang araw, ganun. I mean, pag simula Monday to Sunday, kailangan ng total live stream nyo is at least 10. Okay? Yeah. And of course, at least 4 live sessions per week. Ibig sabihin, sa loob ng Monday to Sunday, sa loob ng 1 week, kailangan at least 4 days kayong nag-live. So, hindi yung tipong kukunin mo lang yung 10 hours for 2 days. So, at least 4 days and 10 hours every week. Okay? Next, account status. Kailangan guys, from the past 30 days, wala tayong violations. Next is device standard. Kailangan meron po tayong maayos na setup, yan, maayos na background, and of course, we comply with official platform specifications. Next is yung content quality evaluation. So dito guys, kailangan at least may theme kayo. So kung ano man yung theme ninyo, ayan, kailangan indicated sa ating announcements. Okay? So, next is interaction quality. Of course, kailangan maging interactive tayo sa live natin. Hindi po pwedeng nakatunganga lang. May sariling mundo, nanonood ng TV, nakahiga, natutulog, cannot be po ito, no? So, kailangan meron tayong content quality sa ating mga party live streams. Content stability, of course, kailangan po at least every week, makuha natin or ma-reach natin yung ating target goal or target natin na room revenue. Yan. Growth potential, possess distinctive live features or outstanding talents. Of course, the longer we're here, the better ang ating magiging growth sa pagiging super owner dito sa Nipi Live. Okay. Next is the application process naman. So, wala po kayong ibang gagawin kundi isi-send lamang po ang inyong details, kagaya ng room owner ID or nag-a-apply mismo bilang super owner. Ayan. Next is at least 5 member IDs ninyo. So, if yung question is, kailangan po ba araw-araw nandun sila sa PL ko? Magandang araw-araw silang nandun. Pero in case, syempre, may mga pagkakataong hindi inaasahan na kailangan umabsent ng inyong member, okay lang din naman for as long as ang inyong party room ay interactive pa rin. Ayan. Next is screenshot ng revenue in the past 7 days. Revenue po ni room owner. Next is unedited live recording. So parang ano to, audition video na 180 seconds ng inyong party room. And a brief description of your lifestyle and theme. So ano ba yung usual ninyong ginagawa sa party room ninyo? Nag-aano ba kayo, kumakanta, nagsasayaw, nagpapa-challenge ba kayo dyan? May mga themes ba kayo every week? Ganyan. So, i-describe yun lang po dito. So, itong apat po ang ating kailangan i-send either sa akin, Nikki R, or Nikki Rella, or kay Miss Eva. Next is revenue verification and content review will be completed every Monday. So, every Monday, guys, chine-check natin ang inyong mga data, ang inyong mga contents, chine-check po natin yan. And again, ang ating duration is from Monday to Sunday. Then every Monday of the following week, doon natin chine-check. Then Monday to Wednesday, doon nagte-take effect yung ating mga rewards. So, ayan, antay lang po natin. So, usually, pag nagpo-post po ako ng mga um, results, hindi siya agad-agad nare-receive yung reward. So, most of the time, the next day. Okay. So, unqualified applicants naman will receive optimization suggestions and can reapply in the next phase. So, just in case hindi kayo makapass, meron pa namang, bibigyan natin kayo ng mga advices para sa next na reapply ninyo, mas mataas ang possibility na makapasok kayo sa program. Okay? Next, let's talk about naman ang application retention standards for advanced and above. So, ito guys, tawag dito, yung para naman sa mga advanced ranking pataas. So, yung unang pinag-usapan natin for the rising star. So, ito naman sa mga advanced pataas. So, for the rankings ng advanced pataas, at least 15 hours live streaming duration from Monday to Sunday. Of course, content requirement, yung quality contents, and at least guys, mag-upload tayo sa ating socials or sa ating moments ng dalawang live-related na mga posts like videos or screenshots ng ginawa ninyo for that week. And of course, lastly, is you meet the weekly income threshold for the corresponding ranks. Kung ano man yung inyong tawag dito, kung ano man yung goal ninyo for the super owner rankings. Okay? Next is the core management rules. So again, we have a weekly evaluation. So chine-check po yan from Monday to Wednesday ang inyong data. Though we still have demotion rules. So we have demotion rules, guys ha. If you're a super owner rising star and your members, inyong room revenue nyo is lower than $100 for 2 consecutive weeks, and or maka-receive kayo ng mga violations, you will be removed from the program and revert to a regular host status. However, after 1 week, pwede naman po kayo mag-reapply. For the advanced and above naman, if you fail to reach the weekly income standard for 1 week, the result will be demotion the second week. Yan. And sa sumunod na linggo na yon, if mataas ma-reach naman yung goals na needed ninyo, eventually, makukuha nyo naman ng rewards the following week then. After that, okay? Next is the qualification revocation. So ito guys, if during the checking of your datas and nakita natin na si super owner po ay may mga unresolved warnings for mga 2 unresolved warnings na, then their super owner qualification will be revoked and revert to regular host. But however, they can apply, reapplication is allowed only after meeting all the relevant rank standards and passing official review, of course. And we have also promotion path. So for the rising star, if nag-apply ka as rising star and naka-reach ka for that week ng $300, well, automatically mapupunta ka na talaga sa advanced ranking. Yeah. Next is the super owner referral policy. So I'm gonna make this more shorter para mas maintindihan. Ang kasali lang po dito is current super owner. Kung ikaw ay super owner na, okay, ito yung ating referral reward. So, depende sa kung ano yung ranking mo. So, kung ranking mo legend ka, okay, for example, legend ka, at nakapag-refer ka ng super owner, makakakuha ka ng $300. Meron nga lang tayong maximum of 3 new hosts na mare-refer na effective ha, kailangan effective sila. So, ibig sabihin ng effective guys is naka-reach ng goal. Okay, so up to 3 uh, referrals lang. Then, if nasa advance ka naman at nakatatlo kang refer, di $90. Diba? Ganun siya. So, by definition of new host, ayan, new host ang pwede nating i-refer ha. Ibig sabihin ng new host, guys, ito yung mga host na nakapag-register or nakagawa ng account sa Nikki Live within 60 days. So, within 2 months, ayan, within 2 months, kapag na-refer nyo sila at effective sila, makakakuha po si super owner na nag-refer ng referral reward. Okay, for irregular behavior handling, the platform reserves the right to investigate suspected fake referrals, volume brushing, and related account mutual promotion. So, alam nyo na yung pagka gumagawa ng mga pinagbabawal na technique, at nalaman po natin ito, ay marirevoke po or hindi ibibigay or ika-cancel ang lahat ng inyong relevant rewards for the referral. Next naman is recommendation of MC Star. So, when we say MC Star, guys, ito yung star host tag ha sa mga members nyo. So, kung magre-refer po tayo or mag-a-appoint, magre-recommend tayo ng star host, ayan, meron lamang tayo mga requirements. So, first is the screenshot of their basic live heat. Alam nyo naman na to. Basic live heat is at least 2,500. Then, every Thursday tayo, guys, mag-check ng inyong recommended star host. Also, guys, be mindful as a super owner, always ask or always check yung mga nagpaparecommend sa inyo na star host. Kasi if 3 times na po sila nawalan, at ni-recommend nyo po sila at nalaman po natin, si super owner po ay hindi makakapag-recommend ng star host for 1 month. So, as super owners, please check if quality host po talaga sila or if 3 times nang nawalan. Yan. Then also, please make sure, ayan, meron tayong banner specification. Ito po yung ating banner. Ayan. Ito po yung ating banner size. Ayan. And if you have any questions pa guys, let me know. So that's for the Nikki Live Super Owner Policy. Thank you so much.